G'day, Brent here with this week's shout out. Plenty on this weekend in Wairarapa, as there is always. Hard on the heels, leading photojournalist Peter Bush's exhibition returns to Masterton, kicks off on the 3rd of June, runs through to the 9th of July. This is amazing, coincides with the DHL Lions series and well worth going to visit at Aratoi. Saturday is Douglas Villa's Old Time Football Day. Yep, juniors all at home in the morning. The 4 senior teams play as well, so that should be quite a good day. And then, of course, party into the night. And Sunday's the car boot sale in Essex Street car park. Always well attended. Fruit, veggies, you name it, you'll find it there. That is what's on. If you've got something that you think needs to be on the More FM shout out, let us know. Brent G at morefm.co.nz.